Hare Krishna. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Garuda Puranam. Garuda has asked Vishnu why the humans are suffering in planet Earth, why they frequently undergo birth and death, why there is no end to this cycle of birth and death. For that, Vishnu has told, woman's menstrual cycle has Brahmahatya dosha. Hence, woman in the first 4 days of her menstrual cycle should be avoided at all cost. If one kills a Brahmana, he gets Brahmahatya dosha. It's called Brahminicide. And this is considered as one of the greatest sin. Once Indra killed a Brahmana called Vishwarupa. His another name is Trisira because Sira means head. He has got 3 heads. And due to that, his father, Vishwarupa or Trisira's father, got very angry and he performed a yajna, that is fire sacrifice. And in that yajna, he chanted Atharvana Veda. In Atharvana Veda, there are some shlokas where black magics are mentioned in Atharvana Veda, and also some demons, how to create demons is also mentioned in Atharvana Veda. So he chanted those mantras especially to take revenge. Because he killed his son, so to take revenge, he chanted those mantras, and who came out was Vritrasura. So this Vritrasura is very, very dangerous demon that he can lick the stars with his huge tongue. I am telling about the stars in the sky. He can lick the stars with his huge tongue. So we are not going in detail about how great this Vritrasura is. We are only going to talk about the Brahmahatya dosha. So everybody, this Devatas got very, very scared, and he is created only especially to kill this Lord Indra, who is very, very powerful, the king of heaven. So this Lord Indra got petrified. They were all hiding, running here and there, helter-skelter. Then they went to Brahma and asked the solution for this Brahmahatya dosha and also how to escape from this Vritrasura. Further, Brahma told somebody has to take Lord Indra's Brahmahatya dosha. So for that, because that was only chasing him now in the form of Vritrasura. So Brahma distributed this Brahmahatya dosha into 4 parts. One part was taken by planet Earth, and one part was taken by the woman in the planet Earth in her first 4 days of menstrual period. The third part was taken by trees. The fourth part was taken by water. In water we will see bubbles and foams, that was Brahmahatya dosha. And in trees you will find saps, the gum, kind of gum comes out, right? Sap, that is Brahmahatya dosha. The third one, which we all know, the first 4 days of woman's menstrual cycle. Why they are not allowed to touch? Because they will get Brahmahatya dosha. Whoever is touching, they will also get Brahmahatya dosha. And the fourth one is desert. You will find desert in planet Earth, right? That is due to Brahmahatya dosha. It's a very dry place. So this is how this Brahmahatya dosha was distributed. This is in Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 6, Chapter 9, and also this story is mentioned in Devi Bhagavatam as well. Here comes the reference shloka from Garuda Purana regarding this Brahmahatya dosha and menstrual cycle. Sri Bhagavan Rutukale Narinam Varjajina Chatushtyam यतस्तस्मिन् ब्रह्महत्यां पुरावृत्र samuttitam. So the meaning is Rutukale means during menstrual cycle. Nari means woman. Dina Chatushyam. Chatur means 4. The 4 days of menstrual cycle. The last line is Yatastasmin Brahmahatyam. In the 4 days of this menstrual cycle, Brahmahatya dosha is allotted. So this first 4 days of menstrual cycle should be avoided for pregnancy related purposes. Further, Bhagavan is saying, Brahma Shakrat Samuttarya Chaturtishena Dattavan Tavanna Lokyate Vakram Papam Yavat Vapustitam. So the meaning is, here only he is saying Brahma has distributed this Brahmahatya dosha into 4 parts. That is mentioned here as Chaturtishena Dattavan. That is, he apportioned it into 4 parts. We should understand why it is important to maintain the culture. This ends the narration of Brahmahatya dosha and women's menstrual cycle to Garuda by Lord Vishnu. Hare Krishna. Stay tuned for more Garuda Puranam stories. Like, share and subscribe.